Great news! We went to the supermarket yesterday and we saw these huge mangoes. They were on sale, they were super cheap for what it is. I googled it, they're from Thailand. In fact, I googled and they looked like they were supposed to be from India, but anyway, these are Thai mangoes. And they're really big, almost the size of my head. So we just had lunch and we were feeling a bit sluggish and like we want a nice treat, so we decided to make a mango lassi. And it's pretty simple. The ingredients are mango. Also, you need some natural yogurt. We're using this farm fresh brand because basically during the corona times of Singapore there is not much else. So this is yogurt with no flavor. And some fresh milk. And that's it. Okay, so this is all the flesh we got from the mango, which is pretty good. I mean, this is just one mango, and I think this is going to be even like too much for like 2 mango smoothies that Arash and I are going to have. So yeah, ingredients. As I said before, mango, yogurt, milk. Measurements, well, you know, however you like it. I saw some recipes where people add sugar as well. I don't think we need that because these mangoes are so sweet. They're literally, I mean, I should try something. They're just super sweet. They smell really amazing, like they have a really intense smell already. Oh, so good. I mean, this mango smoothie, I mean, whatever you make with this is going to be amazing. So I think this lassi, like, it's going to be fantastic. Right, so I will add some yogurt. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. Okay, 3 heaped teaspoons. Then we need the mango. Maybe I use a different spoon, a bit cleaner. Okay. We add the mango. Just whack that in there. Approximately, you know, a bit. Maybe a bit more as a big mango. Maybe a bit more. I think that's about right. Some milk. And I'm using about 1 cup actually. I have no idea what these American measurements are like. You know, about a cup of milk, I don't know. Some milk, great. And then we blend it and we see what the consistency is. And if it's good, then it's good. And if not, we add some more stuff. Yeah. This is my biggest fear, that I open this and somehow this starts again and everything goes out the top. I mean, it's never happened, but you know, anyway. I'll show the consistency now. Yeah. Let me have a taste. Could do with a bit more mango. I think it's very on the dairy side. Maybe a bit much. So I'll use a new spoon and just put some more mango in. Because you know, at the end of the day, just make it how you want it, how you like it. Alright, I think that's going to be good. Okay, it's got a bit better colour as well now. Oh yeah, and a much better consistency actually. It's more creamy. It's not so thin. Okay, let me find a glass. Due to the shop closure in Singapore here during the COVID-19 times, and I accidentally smashed a lot of our drinking glasses, so we had to start being like super hipster and drink from these jars because like all the shops that sell drinking glasses are closed. Anyway. So put that in here. Oh, that looks really good. And enjoy.